simple.data. Well, you will be able to, it's not there yet, but or denu install newtonsoft.json, and it just goes off and gets the package, but it also adds the dependency to your project.json. And when you've just cloned a repository, you just jump into it and you say denu restore, and it looks at the project.json and then goes and gets all those packages for you. And the first time you do a denu restore or a denu install for a specific version of a package, it will go off to NuGet or MyGet or somewhere else, and it can go. You can set it up to look at your company's repositories as well, and it will download it and install it. But then on all subsequent times, it will just run it from your cache. And so what I do is I create a project.json with every single thing in the whole of NuGet, and I just run a denu restore on that, and then I have cached the whole of NuGet somewhere on my hard disk. I don't know where, but it means I can work on aeroplanes, which is always good. And then there's DNX, which is what I was using to run the application, and DNX is the bootstrapper. DNX is the thing that loads the .NET runtime, loads the CLR that you've told it to use, and then looks in the project.json file to find out what it's actually supposed to be doing. So if I go back into project.json, and you can see here that run is just run, and DNX knows what run means. It means find a file with a startup, with a main method in it. That's going to be our program.cs, and then create the assemblies and call that main method. How are we doing? Okay. Editors. So I was using VI to jump into things then because I didn't want to get out of line and start showing you things before I was supposed to show you things. So did anyone